G'day, it's TimWanderer here. Taking about an hour and a half drive from Brisbane, and we're now at Kings Beach. Never fished here before, but there's actually a pretty good place out there during low tide. So let's see how we go today. Very simple setup. A running sinker, a beat, and about half a meter of trace, and just a metal lure. Man, bad condition. Lost my first metal lure out here. It's just rocks everywhere. It's rocks everywhere. It's very hard to cast out lines. So I've got to think of another way. Maybe drop bait. I don't know. Okay, I've given up casting. I'm using my drone. Okay, so far no luck. So I'm going to use this and get some live bait just around here. Little clams and shellfish, little ones. See whether that attracts the fish better. Little abalone or seashell, whatever. Hopefully it tastes good. See how it goes. Okay, it's after lunch. The local fisherman told me this little area here for flatheads using live bait or lure, so I'm going to give it a try. See how we go. Okay, we're walking towards the other area. Gone around the whole beach at Kings Beach. Used prawn. What else did I use? Prawns, lures, whole bunch of other stuff. Didn't catch one fish. In fact, I lost quite a lot of lures in the structures around here. That's it for today. We're still going to be around Sunshine Coast tomorrow. I know that I didn't catch anything, but if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the water. It's TimWanderer here. Bye. Finally!